Hey there! If you're dealing with those annoying little tongue bumps, often called lye bumps, and you're looking for a way to ease the discomfort, you've clicked on the right video. So let's get into it. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Understand what you're dealing with. First things first, let's clear up what these pesky lye bumps are. Officially known as transient lingual papillitis, these little bumps on the tongue can be uncomfortable, but they're quite common. Doctors aren't exactly sure what causes them, but factors like stress, hormonal changes, and certain foods can be triggers. Don't worry, they are usually harmless and often resolve on their own. Step 2. Start with salt water. Now, onto the relief part. Start by dissolving a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Swish this around your mouth for about 30 seconds and then spit it out. Do this a few times a day. Why salt water? Well, it's all about osmosis. The salt can help reduce swelling and pain by drawing out fluids and bacteria. Step 3. Baking soda rinse. Next up, baking soda. It's not just for baking or keeping your fridge fresh, it can also neutralize the acidity in your mouth, creating an environment where bacteria struggle to thrive. Mix 1 teaspoon with water to make a paste, apply it to the affected area for a couple of minutes, then rinse. Simple and effective. Step 4. Hydrogen peroxide caution. Some folks might mention hydrogen peroxide. If you go this route, make sure it's diluted and food grade. Apply it to the bumps using a cotton swab, but be very careful, don't swallow it. This can help disinfect the area, but honestly, if you're not comfortable using it, stick with the previous steps. Step 5. Cold comfort. Feeling sore? Grab some ice cubes or a cold compress. Apply it to your tongue to numb the area and get some temporary relief. Don't apply ice directly though, wrap it in a clean cloth first. Step 6. The soothing duo, yogurt and honey. Incorporate some soothing foods like plain yogurt and natural honey. Yogurt's coolness can calm the area, and it contains probiotics that are beneficial for your mouth's microbiome. Honey is a natural antibacterial and can help with healing. A little bit of honey can do wonders, just make sure it's the real deal, natural and unpasteurized. Alright, you now have a toolkit to deal with those lye bumps. Remember, if they persist or you're really worried, please see your doctor or a dentist. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button, share this video, and drop a comment if you've got something to add or ask. We're here to help each other out, right? Until next time, stay well and take care.